How are you folks? Trade Idea Stock Market Scanning Technologies coming at you. We have a live look at our proprietary stock races and our picture-in-picture charts. We look here on the left. I've got a daily chart with a weekly chart pictured inside of it to help us see where stocks have been and different areas of interest when we look back in time. Again, back to the races, very customizable race. I could share this with users. They can customize it how they like. They could build these from scratch. CXAI on the left side, we see this is live data coming in. This is on the move now. We've got IONQ, again, live data here coming in now. We're watching this break. AUR is another example. Here we are, live data. This is moving now. On the right side, we have a watch list. These are things that have won the races based again on the metrics that I've chosen. It makes for a great watch list on the day. A narrower set of data. This way we're not scattered all over trying to find this mover, that mover, the other mover from 15, 20 different scans. Get a good snapshot of this data right here in one window for us so we can see CXAI, what it's done on the day. BLRX, again, what it's done on the day. We have UP, another stock. It's been an interest all day. We have CLRB, another stock that has just made a big move all of a sudden in the last little bit here. And here we can see it on the live data popping through again. So these are the kind of things that we bring you towards, the narrow set of data that we can focus you towards for making better actionable decisions. If you'd like to see more, come visit us at trade-ideas.com. We have our new Market Scope 360. Get you a free delay data account with our races, top lists, alert windows, and more. Come check us out, trade-ideas.com. We'll see you there.